Drawing is hard, and if becoming better at drawing is on your bucket list for the year, you absolutely have to watch these incredible tips and hacks. These eye shape tricks are going to make our portraits so much more layered now. With some basic foundational shapes, you can even play around with the shape of lips in your portraits. Thank God for this hack. We were getting tired of drawing noses from the same angle. Drawing hands can be intimidating, but who knew it took some basic shapes to get it right? It's recommended that you draw daily, even if it is for a little while, to see progress in your skills. Are you going to try these hacks every day?